Oh, forgive me, Your Grace.
But why?
For gazing up at you. I didn't see your banners or your servants, and so I didn't dream I was going to see you. Oh, I'm going to be punched in the stomach for sure. Dear.
Oh dear, oh dear. Well, since I am Emperor of all Cathay, and do these things at will, I'll give you special dispensation. You may look at me. No stomach punching, I promise. How long have you been working in the palace?
Since I was a child.
How come I haven't seen you before then?
Because a lowly kitchen maid is never allowed to come near the Emperor.
I feel as if I have seen you before.
I must confess that only lately was I permitted to watch you dine.
Oh, really? By whom?
His Excellency, the Prime Minister, granted me this great favor and gratitude for leading him to the Nightingale.
So it was you then?
Yes, Your Imperial Majesty. And I'm sorry she didn't please you and had to be banished.
I feel a chill.
Please, Your Majesty, accept my shawl.
It's cozy and warm, the shore.
Yes, my mother made it for me.
Mother. Yes.
You don't look so well. Perhaps I should call your servants.
No, I'd rather sit alone for a while.
Yes. Yes, it's like that sometimes. Should I go now, Your Grace? Wish you a good evening.
Yes.
The imperial doctors are with him. Inform the ladies and gentlemen of the court.
The Emperor has been stricken. The imperial doctors are with him now. We are to wait here. The Prime Minister shall rule on matters of state.
Ladies and gentlemen of the court, our beloved Emperor, ruler of all Cathay, is gravely ill. The doctors expect him to live but a short while.
I have composed a brilliant funeral dirge.
It is our sad duty in these next days to select a successor to our beloved emperor.
A brilliant funeral dirge and a glorious inaugural anthem.
Go away. You've come too soon.
They all say that. But you know what I say? Never too soon.
It is getting close to the end. Let his final moments be peaceful and quiet. Unless he calls, no one is to bother him.
Has a new emperor been chosen?
It's a great responsibility.
The new emperor must be Cathayan, and young so that he may rule all Cathay for many years.
I totally agree, but not too young. Else he be hot-blooded and foolish.
Will our new emperor be handsome and fine?
Certainly, but not too handsome and fine. Else he spend his whole day looking in the mirror and not pay attention to the lovely ladies and gentlemen of the court.
A good point.
Sing by. Little kitchen maid would also like to know about the new emperor.
Oh, no. No, I would know of the old emperor.
Well, he is dying. That's all.
The chamber servants say he tosses and turns and that no one stays to comfort him in his last hours.
And who pray be grand enough, great enough to solace our great emperor in his final hours of his glorious life. Besides, he will not make it through the night.
Nightingale.
Take your time, little kitchen maid.
You remember me?
Certainly. And how fares our emperor?
He has died. That is what I came to tell you.
Sad news. But why have you come all this way to tell me?
Because only you can comfort him in his last hours on earth. It breaks my heart that he must die all alone.
Don't weep, little maid. I will gladly sing for the emperor tonight.
Please hurry, little Nightingale. There's not much time left.